I'm Brenda Hansen, a realtor with West USA Realty. I'm standing in an area where the ground is rocky and hard, possibly solid bedrock. On one of my properties, we had a perk test done, and it tested for a standard septic. The soil was soft and absorbed water easily, but in this area, the ground does not absorb water easily, so wastewater will not be able to drain through the soil to an underground water reservoir, so an alternate septic is required for this area. I am not a septic engineer. I am just an Arizona native who has owned property in 5 counties, and I have researched properties all over the state, and I wanted to share some of my knowledge with you so you can make an educated decision when you are purchasing property in this state. There are a variety of types of alternate septics. If you're considering purchasing a home that already has an alternate septic, I suggest you ask about the yearly costs for maintaining the septic system. All septic systems should have their filter cleaned once per year, but there is additional maintenance and costs associated with an alternate septic system. If you're considering purchasing land, it's important to get all costs figured out ahead of time before purchasing land so you can make sure that you will be able to afford to build the home you dream of. So knowing what types of septics have been recently installed in an area gives you an idea of the costs involved for the septic. Visit my website, grandexperienceproperties.com, to learn about the various areas in this state, and give me a call and tell me what your dream is, and I'm certain I can find you a home or property that will provide you a grand Arizona experience for years to come.